was sitting, I think it was because I was sitting cross-legged for a while, that it was like both sides of my hips on the sides felt very tight. Today it's just really on the right side again. It is like a 6 today, 7. It's just frustrating because whenever I exercise, I seem to like aggravate it. Friday night with a hot yoga, and then I just felt sore.
What do you feel when you do that?
Like a pinching here.
Is it on both sides of the spine or is it more right here? Both sides here?
Both sides, yeah.
Okay, so you're pointing like L3 to L4 area. Pinch, 0 to 10.
6. A stretch on this.
Right in here. Going up this far?
Yeah.
0 to 10.
6.
Oh, it's over here.
It's like here more.
Okay.
Like it feels like it's deep, like behind my glute. That hurts.
Is that the same spot? What motion can you do right now to make this tightness increase? What type of stretch or movement activates this pain or this tightness?
Bending forward down.
So if you bend forward right now, you're gonna feel it.
Probably. This morning I felt it a lot.
I wanna know what would you do right now. So bend forward right now, and I want you to see if you're gonna feel it. Go like this.
Yeah, kind of.
0 to 10.
Like a 5.
5 on your side. I have an idea what nerve it might be causing this. So I was thinking the superior gluteal nerve, but this doesn't really pull the nerve like that. So when I went like this, I know like that moves that whole area. So that's why I had her do that. And the goal is to always have a provocative motion so we know how to base it off, right? If she says I have foot symptoms but nothing can make the foot worse and I treat the foot and she can't tell me if she's better, it's kind of pointless. We need data, so the better data we collect, the better we can help. I'm talking to some patients and I need to know what they're doing at home, you know what I mean? I need to know what life looks like without when you're not in this office, so I know what you're doing with your body. Chris, come on the front for me, please. And she sat crisscross applesauce for 2 hours, and what this movement we just did, half of crisscross applesauce, right? Ow, oh my God. Go ahead, say it. So now I'm at the inferior nerve. Gluteal nerve, just inferiorly. The muscle is about TFL, glute med area, right in between the connect. Superior gluteal nerve and inferior gluteal nerve. Inferior, moderate, superior, moderate to severe.
I think less than a 3. But my body's still like, it's kind of
Fingers?
radiating. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Wow, that was good.
You say you had the same symptom on the left side too?
Yeah.
Do the same test we just did, but on the right side. And on the left, yes. 0 to 10 on the left side.
Like a 4.
4 on the left.
Yeah.
Okay, let's check the other side, see if it's the same problem. For the test on the right side, she said it was a 3, but it's feeling less, so she's also probably sore.
That treatment you did last time, like on the thoracic part, that was like, I had a lot of relief after that.
What was that, Kasey? Why did you just change position?
I didn't like the area, but when I tried to do a tension set with depth and tension, it didn't pull as tight as I liked it, and it felt more sloppy. It didn't feel too precise or too in a groove. It was just like, meh, and I didn't like it. Zero sound on the right.
0.